What's up with it? This gonna be my first YouTube video I've ever posted, like doing like blogging or whatever the hell you want to call it. But I thought it'd be the perfect day to do it here on January 5th, 2025. I'm here in Lee Summit, Missouri, and we had our first snow blizzard. And got to go to work. Unfortunately, a lot of places closed down, but unfortunately not us. But you can see the snow. I got to actually shovel my way from here down to my cars and see what it do. I got to get the snow off them and get them going, whatever, but we pay HOA, they should already been out here shoveling this, they should already plowed our streets. When you pay HOA, you expect them to do what they're supposed to do, but I mean, it is what it is. I guess I got to get out here and shovel this snow, and anybody has to shovel snow know it ain't no damn fun. It ain't no fun doing this shit, but I got to do what I got to do, so I'm going to try to set this phone up so that y'all can see me doing a little shoveling out to the car here. And hopefully you like what you see. It's just a little glimpse in the day of the life of, they call me MD, Missouri Dog. That's where I'm from, Missouri, obviously, Lee Summit, Missouri. Born and raised down in Kansas City, Missouri, downtown, home of the Chiefs, the Royals, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, I'm gonna try to shovel my way out to this car, and hope you enjoy the video, for my first time. If you like it, hit, like button, hit the subscribe button, and notification button, that way you can see other things that I'm gonna start posting this year. I'm gonna do some posts about what I do at work, and as we progress, I'll do other things, I used to be a rapper, still kind of dibble and dabble in it, and I think I'm pretty damn good at it, so I'll post some of those later on down the road after you get to know me a little bit. And hopefully you follow me, hit that follow button. That way I can start getting, a lot of followers. And that way when I do hit you with these slaps, with these raps, you'll know, what I'm about. And hopefully we can vibe together and ride together on this little journey. But anyways, here we go. Let me see if I can't stick this in the snow and get it going. Got to clean my little bunny off. See my little bunny? He got all buried in the snow. I found this bad boy at work. Somebody was throwing it out. So I painted him up, put some paint on him, got him going. That's one of my little guys there. He's a heavy sucker too. Now I gotta find my little cat. I painted this little one up for my cat Woodsy. My little Woodsy Bow. He passed away last year, and I did this one in memory of him. He was my orange tabby cat, so I got him all painted up. And that's my boy right there. His name was Woodsy. Rest in peace, little boy. But he's my reminder of him every day. So I gotta dig him out, get him a little spot. All right, let me reposition, get this going. Back at it. Like I said, it ain't no fun. This shit'll hurt your back. If you ain't got a strong back for it, you're gonna be hurting the next day for real. About to fall over on myself. Get a reposition. That way y'all can follow me on this snow journey. Here we go. Yeah, this shit ain't no fun. This shit ain't no fun at all. I'm trying to tell you. If you live in a place like Florida or, you know, like California where you don't get no snow, y'all don't know what you have to deal with. Down in Texas, every now and then you'll get hit with some snow, but that shit melt real quick. But up here, this shit'll stay around for weeks. It's fucking cold out here. This shit ain't no punk. Now I gotta get this Jeep kind of dusted off a little bit. Oh, just as I expected. Ice. That ain't no fun. But the good thing about it is, I'm one of them smart guys, you know what I'm saying? I got one of these here protectors right here on the windshield and on my mirrors. That way, once I get in to the vehicle, all I gotta do is start it up warm it up, hit the defroster on the back window, and roll out. But I still gotta get all this stupid snow off the top real quick, you know. Get this snow out. And sorry about all the, you know, switching back and forth on this damn phone, because I got it on a selfie stick. And I'm trying to show y'all the life of having to get this stupid snow off of your cars and get ready to go to work, you know. I ain't the type to call in and shit, you know. I'm trying to get that money, you know what I'm saying? I don't like missing out on money. We don't get paid for sick days. I get paid flag time, so, you know, it ain't like I'm hourly or salary. I get paid by the work. So I got to go to work and get it done. That way I can get paid, you know what I'm saying? Got to be paid. Anyway, they say it costs to be the boss. So, got to boss up and get my ass to work, you know what I'm saying? And my boss, I texted him last night, was like, look, I'm snowed in, man. They ain't even cleared our streets. They ain't done nothing up here. I don't even know how I'm gonna get up out of here in the morning. I wake up this morning, he sent me a text, take your time. If I have to, I'll come get you. That's what I'm talking about, you know? Boss man gonna come pick me up, take me to work if need be. That's what it's about, but at the same time, I was hoping to be like, oh, don't worry about it. We're gonna shut it down today. No luck though. No luck on that. Now I gotta kind of dust the Beamer off, get this bad boy uncovered. It may be the one I have to drive today, as a matter of fact, because this Jeep got a little parasitic draw on it. So when it get real cold or it's set for 3 or 4 days and I ain't run it, the battery will go dead. So I got to keep it on one of those little charger things, you know. But it don't matter, because this BMW X-Drive all-wheel drive, it'll cut right through this snow with no problem. That's the beauty of all-wheel drive, is they'll cut through anything, you know what I'm saying? Cut right through it. But got my little blue lights. See the blue lights? You can barely see them, but yeah, I had that film put over them, man. This boy be sitting right when it's sunny outside and dry, and I got this boy cleaned up. Boy, look, girl, look. This motherfucker be killing them on the block. I ain't lying. Heads be turning, horns be honking, hands be flying up, peace sign, thumbs up, all kinds of shit. But anyways, that's what I do, you know what I'm saying? I like to trick my cars out. I like to get them right. I like to get them looking good. My girl, she got her car in the garage. She got a brand new car, so she ain't trying to let me park my Beamer in the garage or anything. So it has to be subjected to this weather out here. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Got to let the female do what she want to do. Keep them happy, you know what I'm saying? I like to give her a hard time though. Mess with her and shit. Be like, I'm pulling your car out. I'm pulling my car in. She be getting all mad. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. Trying to argue with me and shit, you know? And I'm just playing, but sometimes she gonna realize I'm playing. But anyways, I'm almost there. You see that? Now I gotta go around one more time, but it's gonna be a motherfucker trying to get out of here, I'm telling you. These streets, they deep. So this will be the first little test for this X-Drive, you know, to see if it really can pull through there. Cause tell you the truth, I don't even know if I want to mess with trying to get that Jeep started if it ain't started. So I think I'm just gonna jump in this bad boy today. But anyways, I think I'm about to cut this video because my hands are freezing from wiping that snow off. I'm covered in snow. Look at that. Look at that. Covered in snow. Sheet of ice all on me. It ain't no fun out here. I'm telling y'all, it ain't no fun. But anyways, I'm empty. Missouri dog in Kansas City, Missouri. Although I do live out in Lee Summit right now, but this is what we do on a Monday morning after a snow blizzard. Ain't no fun. But I hope y'all have a nice day. I hope you enjoy the video. You know, it ain't much of nothing, but it's a look into my life. And as I share parts of my life with y'all, I hope you enjoy taking the journey with me and learning more about who I'm about. And then when I hit you with them slaps and that rap, you gonna know what it is. You know, I got like over 200 something songs recorded that I ain't ever published. And so I think it's about time. You know what I'm saying? When I was back doing the rap shit, I didn't really have niggas around me that were dedicated. You know, these motherfuckers, they were, but they weren't, you know what I'm saying? But I was like Tupac back in the days, man. I started rapping when I was back in like 93. And all through the mid 90s, 2000s, I just focused on recording. And that's why I got so many damn songs recorded, probably like 250 songs recorded that I want to publish this year and get them out there. That way y'all can hear them, because I'm going to tell you, man, I put the stank on it, and you're going to find out. But anyways, I want to journey with y'all first into my life. That way you get to know me personally. That way when I do introduce you to it, y'all be like, all right, I see what's up. Anyways, much love to y'all. Thanks for peeping in on the video, and hope you have a blessed day, blessed new year. May all your dreams come true. May you profit and prosper, you know, in your life, and may your family all be in good health, as long as yourself too. Anyways, I'm out.